Hey guys, so I got a dual exhaust slash heater bathroom vent, and the heater stopped working. So there's this little element right here, and you can replace it, or you just get a replacement part. I think it runs about $10. I didn't do that. Just one of the wires had broken off. I guess it melted or something. So I just kind of replaced that part. You can see. But anyways, I'm just going to show you how this goes up in here. Super easy. See these little hooks on there, and those go up in those little slots up in there. So you just line those up with the slots. Make sure they're both in there. Okay, and your motor's just going to hang. And then you got a couple, but don't trust it though, it might fall. But it should hang there. Okay, and then all you have to do to hold this up in there now, make sure that you get this lined up. We got 2 screws right there, and you just screw those in. Then fasten your plugs right there. So that's how you put the heater unit back in your dual exhaust and heating fan. So it gets kind of chilly here, so we like to use a heater, warm up the bathroom. So, and to pull it out, you just do reverse that. So we're gonna go work on the element. Thanks for watching this video, how to remove the heater motor.